today we are going to make chicken and fruit salad for dinner. And so, guys, see with me my voice. My voice is not so good. Okay.
Are you better, Mama?
I'm trying to be better. All right, guys. So let me show you the recipe that we're going to use. Let me show you the recipe that we're going to use. Ariana is going to show you the recipe that we are going to use. All right, here we go, guys.
As you can see, we have apples for our salad, and we have a cucumber. And what's the honey for?
The honey and the lime is to make we're going to try a new dressing on our salad. So
we have grapes.
These are seedless grapes,
and we have lettuce and strawberries and chicken.
All right.
And apple juice.
And apple juice. All right. So guys, we are going to dice and we're going to cut our ingredients up, and we are going to fry our chicken, and we'll be right back. Guys, we have our chicken on the stove. We rinsed our chicken, and by rinse I'm talking about using some vinegar or some lime water to rinse your chicken off. We seasoned it, we dip it in the egg, and then we put some, you can either use flour or you have chicken coating that you can use. You'll see how this turned out. We're just gonna let this cook. In the meantime, Ariana is gonna cut the fruits up for the salad, okay? All right, guys, so we have our apple, we have our strawberry, and we have our grapes. We are going to cut these fruits up and put it in a dish, right? And then we're going to mix the onion and the lime together for the toppings or dressing, whatever you call it, to just put it over the fruits, okay? All right, so make sure you wash. No, that's not how you do it. Wait, make sure you wash your fruits, and by wash I mean using water to rinse it off, okay? Because you know you got a lot of hands that touch your fruits. You want to be clean and everything, all right? So here we go. All right, so Ariana, you're going to put it right there. Nope, don't hold it right here. You just put your two hands right here, okay? So make sure it's in the middle. And ready? You're going to press 1, 2, 3. Okay, ready? You got to push down some more. Let go. Let go. Hang on. Okay. I know. Okay, all right, guys, there we go. Let's hang on. Go get your How about you? Okay, there we go.
Get that chair.
All right, guys, so you get the idea. We're just going to cut up our fruits. I don't need to video that part. We are going to cut up our fruits, and we'll be right back, okay? All right, guys, this is what our chicken looks like so far. We're going to constantly monitor our chicken, make sure it's cooked properly. All right, guys, so Ariana is there stuffing her face. So this is all our foods that we're going to use. I only decided to use one cucumber because I don't like cucumber. But if I see that it's not enough, then I add some more cucumber. Okay, we're going to dice and slice our fruits. We'll be right back.
Grapes, and we have apples, and we have strawberries, and it's going to be a very healthy
Dinner
salad because it's going to be our dinner today, and it's going to be very healthy and good for us. And we're having chicken and lettuce too with it. And we're having chicken.
Okay, stop eating my food. All right, guys, so all we need to do is get our chicken. Now, you don't have to put the chicken in it. We're going to do a little bit of both. Okay, we're going to get our lettuce, and you can get different type of lettuce, okay? And we are going to put all this stuff on there. We're going to get our honey. We're going to get our lime. We're going to mix it together and just sprinkle over the fruits, and then we're going to put it on a dish, all right? So we are going to, Aliyah wants to mix this. This is honey and lime. Combine together. Say excuse me. Right, and we are going to take this. Okay, Aliyah, mix this. And now Ariana is gonna pour it. Just take it.
I'm gonna pour it.
Hang on. I'm gonna take a little bit of 1 spoon over. Okay, so here's 1 spoon. Your turn. Do you do it first? All right, Aliyah, your turn. Aaliyah, come on.
Okay, I'll let it in.
All right, let mommy do the rest.
No.
All right.
That's the
Just gonna mix our fruit salad up. So this is what the lettuce leaf that we decided to use, okay? We're gonna rinse it off, okay? We're not gonna, you can cut yours when it's time for dinner. We are going to rinse it off and we're gonna lay it on our baking sheet. And we are gonna put all these fruits and chicken on some of them, okay? All right, guys, so what we're going to do, Ariana, get the chair. Okay, Ariana is running from the dogs. I'm just gonna go ahead and start because time is running out. So go ahead. So we're gonna take this. Come on. We're gonna take a spoonful. We're gonna put it on each of these lettuce leaves. Right.
Is lettuce made out of leaves?
Well, I guess so. It's a vegetable. Okay, so we're gonna pause there, guys, and we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna get some chicken right here. Now you can cut the chicken. So we have a chicken right here. You can get a piece of chicken. So we have a chicken right here. Now you can chop the chicken up or cut it and then put it on here, right? So we're gonna get a piece of chicken and we are going to put our chicken on a few of them. Okay, guys? No, just wait until it's dinner time.
I want to put the chicken, I want to put it on here.
Okay, just wait. Okay, here. Ariana wants to put a chicken on there. Right, okay, so guys, you get the idea. We are going to get this completed and we'll be right back.
To the foot now. To the foot now. To the foot now. Bye guys. Bye guys. Bye guys. Bye guys. To the foot now. To the foot now. To the foot now.
Alright, okay guys, there you go. So you can either leave your fruit salad like this and eat it alone, or you can put some lettuce on there and then dump the fruits on it. And you can add chicken if you want to as well, okay guys? Alright, so there you go. Alright guys, see you another time.
Is there more chicken?